Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add gift cards to your account on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to pay with a gift card is so easy. All you will be needing to do is to simply go to the checkout page and from there you will be able to start applying for your gift card. And basically you will need first to have already the gift card added. So basically, let's just go to any product. For example, let's just go for these items here. And I'm going to just choose anything. So I'm going to choose the watch. So basically, let's go for this one. And from here, we want to just to go to the checkout page. Let's just like use captcha. And from here, we add like this, and basically that's it. And from here, we will find this payments method. So as you can see, we already have like this payments method. And if we go down, you'd find like the gift cards and coupons. So from here, you will find already that there is a discount that is already applied. You can add it and then you can add another gift code or whatever you would like. And you will need just to click on apply. And basically now you will be able to use the coupon or the gift card to your account. And as you can see, once added, gift cards cannot be removed. That means if we go here, we find that whenever you are using like the gift cards, and as you can see, after the first time you use it, it will be attached to your account. That means you will have to consume it totally. And if it does still have some amount after the checkout, you will be able to use it again in the next time. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.